Why, guys? Because they're giving away electronics.
We're not. What?
They're giving away electronics and toys, not stuff that is.
Somebody's giving away fidget spinners.
I don't care. Just don't give away my stuff. Hey, guys! My name is Alice. Hey, everybody.
Actually,
we're going to react to Killer Clowns. Warning, this contains jump scares and everything.
Please leave a like.
And if you like Killer Clowns, please subscribe in the description below.
Please leave a like.
And let's
right now.
go now.
And same as last time. I named stuff.
Blah, blah, blah. We're not doing giveaway.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. But one of the things that
we're not doing giveaway. We're not giving away my favorite
if you like that stuff.
And if don't tell us to do a giveaway for Jaffa Cakes and Freddos, because I really like them too. If Tyler does that, I'll unsubscribe to Tyler, and everybody unsubscribe to Tyler if he lets me do a giveaway with the Jaffa Cake and chocolate and also leave a like. And also don't tell him to give away friends. And I'll kill him and not subscribe to him. Give away just the springtime mini chocolates. Okay, this is weird. This is kind of weird and stuff. I cannot see what he's doing. This is weird. Oh, jeez. This is really loud noises and jump scares and loud noises, bad language and stuff. He's spying on him. Dude. Oh! Who's he staring at now? Oh dear. Videos like this? No. one bright thing one day. Well, guys, leave a subscribe, hit the notifications, save that, and hit the like button, and write I subscribed. Right. I don't know why they're doing creepy stuff. I don't know why they're doing creepy stuff like this. Want an epic shit like this? Want some scary videos like this? I never watched these videos like this because Poppy is a really awesome girl. I like her. She's really awesome and awesome. I like to react. I love the Poppy reacts to and everything. I like the dark and I like everything. No, I forgot. Poppy's Dark is amazing! Guys, if you liked this video, I forgot. Da, 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 da. And also, please give a like and comment saying I subscribed. You heard that already, right? Don't you? Leave a comment if you already heard this. Heard that, so please subscribe in the description below so you don't. Please subscribe in the description below if you like these videos. So, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe in the description below. So, I'm already here right now. So, click a like that. But see.